In this video, I want to show you how to rearrange fields in attributes table of ArcGIS. So let's go to ArcGIS. In ArcGIS, I have this geology layer, which is a shapefile. Now, if I open the attributes table, right click and click on Open Attributes Table. In the attributes table, you can see the arrangement of the field. I have FID, shape, ID, geology, code, area, digitize, and formation. If I want to rearrange this field such that after ID, I want code to come before geology, then after geology, I want formation to come before digitize, and then I want area to come last, or I want digitize to come last. So you can actually arrange this field based on your preference. So to do that is quite simple. So what to do? Let's close this attributes table. Come to the layer, right click and click on properties. When it opens, come to field, click on it. Here you can see all the fields in the attributes table of your layer. Now if you want to rearrange this field, what you need to do is to click on the one you want to move. As you click on it, the appearance and everything about the field will show here. So the attributes of the field will show here. Now, for example, I have FID, shape, ID. I want code to come before geology. So what I will do is that I will click on geology and click on this down arrow, that is to move it down. If I click on it, you can see it has moved to the bottom of code. Now after geology, I want formation to come next. So what I will do, I will click on formation and I'll click on this move up arrow. I'll click on it. You can see I've moved it to come immediately after geology. Now if I want the area to come last, I can click on area and move it down. Alternatively, if I want digitized to come last, I can click on digitized and click on the down arrow. You can see, using this method, you can rearrange your field in the attributes table. So after you have arranged it the way you want it, click on apply and click on OK. Now if you want to verify, right click the layer and open the attribute table. Yes, you can see that it has been rearranged as we wanted it. You can see FID, shape, ID, code, geology, formation, area, and digitize. So whichever order you want to arrange your field in the attributes table in ArcGIS, this is the way to do them. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.